ኑ ተመልከቱልኝ የአማኑኤልን ሥራ ኑ ተመልከቱልኝ የአማኑኤልን ሥራ ሙሽሮቹ ሆኑ አብርሃም ወሳራ ሙሽሮቹ ሆኑ አብርሃም ወሳራ Joachim were made strong through prayer, their works found true and fair in front of their Maker, persistently walked in holy matrimony. The mother of our Lord, they birthed Virgin Mary. The mother of our Lord, they birthed Virgin Mary.